What up, guys? Your boy Sam here. These are the ingredients that you'll need for quick and easy dog panadas. All right, we'll be back. You got your little empanada shell on the plate right there. You get your cheese. Open that up. See how easy it is to make and how quick it is to make. You put that there. You get your dog. Put them on the edge there, and you just roll them up, just like a little tube. All right, so you got that. Close the ends, and voila. Quick and easy. All right, we'll be right back. Okay, guys, I threw a little pot of rice so I can go with the dog panadas. Right now that rice is sizzling, so I'm going to put the liquid in. Now leave that on there while we make the dog panadas, okay? It's nice there, it's gonna wait for us. Now that our oil is getting hot, you put them in nice and easy. Make sure the oil is run it back down so you don't spark everything all over the place. And 4. There you have it. Okay, make sure these guys crisp, so nice golden brown. And that should be about 2 to 3 minutes. And they'll be ready to go. Okay guys, this is the final result. And I'm gonna split right into this puppy. Check that out. Oh yeah, boy, that's gonna be delish. Very good, very good. All right, and it was quick and easy to make. All right, guys.